following the successful conclusion of the 2026 general elections and a careful assessment by the Interagency Security Committee, the Uganda Communication Commission has directed the immediate restoration of public internet access across the country effective 18th January 2026. This phased and responsible return to connectivity reflects the Commission's commitment to balancing national security with the legitimate needs of citizens for information, communication, and economic activity. The brief suspension of public internet was a necessary step taken on the strong recommendation of the Interagency Security Committee to safeguard the public order, prevent the rapid spread of misinformation, disinformation, and malinformation, to curb potential electoral fraud and protect against incitement to violence during a highly sensitive national period. This measure was implemented to ensure that the electoral process proceeded peacefully and that the peace and stability Ugandans have worked so hard to maintain were not undermined. Yesterday, general public internet access was fully restored. In line with the directive issued to all licensed mobile network operators and internet service providers, social media platforms and messaging applications remain temporarily restricted to continue safeguarding against misuse that could threaten public order. The Commission will continue to monitor the situation closely and will provide updates on any further adjustments as circumstances evolve. Of course, there are people who think that they can bypass these directives through usage of VPNs. Well, but I want to tell you that we have reasonable capabilities now, especially if you use that bypass to break the law. Your device may not go on the network again because you are breaking the law. Now that public internet is back, I urge every Ugandan to use this restored access responsibly and constructively. The internet is a powerful tool for enterprise, education, and entertainment, and staying connected to our loved ones. Let us use it to build, not to destroy. Avoid sharing or amplifying unverified information, hate speech, inflammatory content, or anything that could incite violence or disturb the peace we have all worked to preserve. Responsible digital citizenship means verifying facts before sharing, respecting the views of others, and contributing to national unity rather than division. Remember, freedom comes with responsibility. Misuse of online platforms can have serious consequences for individuals and the entire country. The successful and largely peaceful conduct of the election demonstrates the maturity of our people and the strength of our institutions. Let us now build on this achievement. An attempt to use the restored internet to organize or incite disorder, spread falsehoods, or undermine national stability will not be tolerated. Security agencies remain vigilant, and the Commission will continue to work closely with them to ensure that digital spaces are not weaponized against public peace. We appeal to all citizens, political actors, and media houses to prioritize peace, truth, and national cohesion at this critical time. In conclusion, the restoration of public internet marks an important step forward as we move beyond the election period. The Uganda Communication Commission remains committed to promoting safe, open, and inclusive digital environment that serves the interests of all Ugandans. We thank the operators for their swift compliance, the security agencies for their guidance, and the public for their patience and understanding during this temporary measure. Thank you. I say this for God and my country.